Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.